Hello students. Today we will be doing exercise 3.6 NCERT of chapter 3 linear equations in two variables. Children, this exercise deals with the pair of linear equations which will be reduced. Means the pair of given linear equations which will be given, we have to solve it further to get it in the proper form of the linear equations, and hence we will solve. Children, till now whatever linear equations we have solved were simple linear equations which we solved by either of the methods like substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now in exercise 3.6 also we will be doing by either of the methods which we like. I will be trying to do by elimination method if not mentioned by any other method. But this exercise, again I repeat, is dealing with the pair of the linear equations which will be reduced to simple pair of linear equations. So the exercise is saying that equations reducible to pair of linear equations. So let us start question number 1. Question number 1, subpart number 1 is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. Here children, you can see that the variables x and y are in the denominator. Like this sum we have done in R.S. Agarwal also. I mean from few sums which I selected from R.S. Agarwal, there also I have done. Now as I have told, if the denominators are in the denominator, 1 by x and 1 by y, we will be supposing as some other variable. Let us suppose u and v. We will be getting two linear equations in u and v. We will be solving in u and v. We will be getting the value of u and v, and hence on substitution in our supposition we will be getting the value of x and y. So let us start. The second equation is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. Given system of linear equations are 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equals to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. Let 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. Then equation 1 and 2 are reduced to over here u by 2 plus v by 3 equals to 2, and write this as 3u plus 2v equals to 6 to the 12. Let us make this as equation 3, and 2 becomes u by 3 plus v by 2 equals to 13 by 6. This implies 2u plus 3v equals to 13. Let us make it equation number 4. Now we have got two simple equations in u and v. Now we will be solving 3 and 4 to get the value of first u and v and then x and y. So let us solve it. u plus 2v equals to 12, and over here 2u plus 3v equals to 13. Equation 3 and 4. This was equation 3 and this was equation 4. Now let us multiply this with 2 and this with 3. So we will be getting over here 6u plus 4v equals to 24, and over here 6u plus 3 3s are 9v equals to 39. Now subtraction, these two will be cancelled, and over here minus of 5v equals to minus of 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus minus cancelled. This implies v is equals to 15 by 5, that is 3. This implies v we have supposed as 1 by y. So 1 by y equals to 3. This implies y equals to 1 by 3. Now putting v equals to 3 in any equation we can substitute. Let us substitute in 3. We get 3u plus 2 into 3 equals to 12. This implies 3u equals to 12 minus 6, that is 6. This implies u equals to 6 by 3, that is 2. So this implies 1 by x equals to 2. This implies x equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 3. Answer. So, subpart number 2, question number 1 is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals to minus 1. So, similarly over here the variables along with the root are in the denominator. So, we will suppose 1 by root x as some other variable, 1 by root y as some other variable. We will solve and hence on substitution we will be getting the value of x and y. So, let us proceed. Let 1 by root x equals to u and 1 by root y equals to v. Then the given system of linear equations are 2u plus 3v equals to 2 and 4u minus of 9v equals to minus 1. Now make it equation number 1 and this one as 2. Multiply this with 2, so we will be getting 4u plus of 6v equals to 4. Now over here and 4u minus of 9v equals to minus 1. This equation 1 I have multiplied with 2, equation 2 copied as such. Subtraction, these two will be cancelled and 6 plus 9 plus 6 is 15v. Where to write? So I am writing over here 15v equals to 5. This implies v is equals to 5 by 15 equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, v equals to 1 by 3 implies, now v what we have done? V is 1 by root y. So 1 by root y is equals to 1 by 3. This implies root y equals to 3. This implies y is equals to 9. Again, putting v is equals to 1 by 3 in any equation we can substitute. Let us substitute in 1 only. In 1 we get 2u plus 3 into 1 by 3 equals to 2. This implies 2u equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1. This implies u equals to 1 by 2 implies 1 by root x equals to 1 by 2 implies root x equals to 2 implies x equals to 4. Therefore, x equals to 4, y equals to 9. Answer. So children, now let us go to question number 3, subpart number 3 of question number 1. Here children, you can see the variable only x is in the denominator. So we will be supposing only 1 by x as some other variable and hence solve the given system of the linear equation, and which on last will in the given substitution in our supposition will give the value of x and y. So let us start children. Putting 1 by x equals to u, the given system of linear equations are 4u plus 3y equals to 14. Let us make it equation number 1. And 3u minus of 4y equals to 23. Let us make it equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 3 and 2 by 4. So this implies multiply by 3. So 3 4s are 12u, 3 3s are 9y and 14 3s are 42. Again 4 3s are 12u minus of 4 4s are 16y equals to 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. Subtraction, cancel. Now over here 16 and 9 is 25y equals to minus sign, 2 minus 2 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So we get y equals to minus of 50 by 25 equals to minus of 2. Now putting y equals to minus 2 in equation 1, we get 4u plus 3 into minus 2 equals to 14. This implies 4u minus of 6 equals to 14. This implies 4u equals to 20. 14 plus 6 is 20. This implies u equals to 20 by 4 equals to 5. This implies u was how much, children? 1 by x. 1 by x equals to 5. This implies x equals to 1 by 5. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 5 and y is equals to minus 2 is the answer. Now subpart number 4 is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus of 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. Here children, in the denominator is x minus 1, y minus 2. Similarly here the denominator is x minus 1 and y minus 2. I mean the variables are in the denominator. So we will be supposing that as u. So let us start putting 1 by x minus 1 equals to u and 1 by y minus 2 equals to v. The given system of linear equations are 5u plus v equals to 2 and 6u minus of 3v equals to 1. Now make it equation number 1. This one is 2 and this into 3 let us do. So implies 15u plus of 3v equals to 3 2s are 6 and 6u minus of 3v equals to 1. Now addition, 15 and 6 is 21u. These two cancelled equals to 7. This implies u equals to 7 by 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are equals to 1 by 3. This implies u was 1 by x minus 1 equals to 1 by 3. This implies x minus 1 equals to 3 implies x equals to 4. Putting u equals to 1 by 3 in any of the equations, let us do in 1. In 1 we get 5 into 1 by 3 plus v equals to 2. This implies v equals to 2 minus of 5 by 3 equals to 6 minus of 5 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. Now v was how much? 1 by y minus 2 equals to 1 by 3. This implies y minus 2 equals to 3 implies y equals to 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore x equals to 4, y equals to 5. Answer. Let us come to the next subpart of question number 1. That is subpart number 5. The question is 7x minus 2y divided by xy equals to 5 and 8x plus 7y divided by xy equals to 15. Over here children, you can do by two methods. This equation can be reduced to 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5, and over here 8 by y plus 7 by x equals to 15. And we will be supposing 1 by x as u or 1 by y as v, and hence by solving and then substituting in our supposition, we will be getting the value of x and y. But we can also do by cross multiplication. Over here 5xy, 7x minus 2y equals to 5xy, and similarly this one, and we will be getting the value of x and y directly without supposition. I am doing by this method, you can do by that supposition method as well. So let us start. 7x minus of 2y equals to 5xy. Let us make it equation number 1. And 8x plus 7y equals to 15 of xy. Make it equation number 2. Multiply this with 8 and this with 7. So this will be reduced to 56x minus of 16y equals to 40xy, and 56x plus of 49y equals to 105xy. Subtraction, these two cancelled. 9 and 6 is 5, 4 1, 5 and 6, minus of 65y equals to minus of 65xy. This y, 65, and minus cancelled. This implies x equals to 1. Now putting x equals to 1 in equation 1, we get 7 into 1 minus 2y equals to 5 into 1 into y. This implies 7 equals to 7 minus 2y equals to 5y. This implies 7y equals to 7. This implies y equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 1, y equals to 1 is the answer. Now question number 1, subpart number 6 I have left for you children. It is just similar to subpart number 5 as I have done. Now let us proceed to subpart number 7. The system of the linear equations given are 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals to 4, and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals to minus of 2. Children, take care over here in the denominator x plus y, x minus y. Similarly over here in the denominator x plus y and x minus y. So we can suppose this as any other variable. So putting 1 by x plus y equals to u and 1 by x minus y equals to v, the given system of linear equations are 10u plus 2v equals to 4 and 15u minus of 5v equals to minus 2. Now let us multiply this with 3 and this with 2. First make it the equation number 1 and 2. Multiply this with 10 3s are, so into 3 and 15 2s are 30. So this will become, implies 30u plus 6v equals to 12, and 30u minus of 10v equals to minus of 4. Subtraction, will these two cancelled, and 10 and 6 is 16v. 16v equals to 16. This implies v equals to 1. So implies 1 by x minus y equals to 1. This implies x minus y equals to 1. Let us make it equation number 3. Now putting v equals to 1 in equation 1 we get 10u plus 2 into 1 equals to 4. This implies 10u equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. This implies u equals to 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5. Now u was 1 by x minus y equals to 1 by 5. This implies x minus y equals to u was 1 by x plus y, sorry children. So x plus y equals to 5. Let us make it equation number 4. Now 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 implies 2x equals to 6, implies x equals to 3. And let us put x equals to 3 in 3. Putting x equals to 3 in equation 3, we get 3 minus y equals to 1, implies minus y equals to 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2, implies y equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 is the answer. Coming to subpart number 8, the given system of equations are 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equals to 3 by 4 and 1 by twice of 3x plus y minus 1 by twice of 3x minus y equals to minus 1 by 8. So over here these two same denominator and these two 3x minus y same. So we will be supposing 1 by 3x plus y as a variable and 1 by 3x minus y as another variable. Will solve and hence substitution in our supposition will be giving the value of x and y. So let us start. Putting 1 by 3x plus y equals to u and 1 by 3x minus y equals to v. The given system of linear equations are u plus v equals to 3 by 4 and u by 2 minus v by 2 equals to minus 1 by 8. This implies, let us cancel over here, u minus v equals to minus of 1 by 4. 2 under 2 under 2 4s are. Let us make it equation number 2. Now equation number 1 was u plus v equals to 3 by 4. Now let us add it. Adding, we get, these two will be cancelled. 2u equals to minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to minus 1 plus 3 by 4 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. This implies 2u equals to 1 by 2. This implies u equals to 1 by 4. This implies 1 by 3x plus y equals to 1 by 4. This implies 3x plus y equals to 4. Let us make it equation number 3. Again, putting, we have to get the value of v. So putting u equals to 1 by 4 in the equation we can substitute 1 or 2. So I am substituting in 1. We get 1 by 4 plus v equals to 3 by 4. This implies v equals to 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, now v was 2v, v equals to 1 by 2. Now v was how much, children? V was 1 by 3x minus y. So 1 by 3x minus y equals to 1 by 2. This implies 3x minus y equals to 2. This is equation number 4. Now let us solve it. So what we got, 3x plus y equals to 4, and 4 as this was equation number 3, and equation number 4 was 3x minus y equals to 2. Let us make it equation number 4. Y coefficient and x coefficient is same, so either we can add or subtract. So adding, we get, these two will be cancelled. 6x equals to 6 implies x equals to 1, and putting x equals to 1 in 4, we get 3 minus y equals to 2 implies minus y equals to 2 minus 3 implies minus y equals to minus 1 implies y equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to y equals to 1 is the answer.